So we're gonna be doing a post-workout recovery, starting up with Brittany's upper back and then working all the way down to her feet. So we'll start up here. So I'm gonna be using the second speed. I'm just letting it float on her and I'm not pushing down. The post-workout, when you're spending all that time on those big muscle groups, you're gonna draw the blood in and those nutrients to start the repair, the muscle building process, to maximize that recovery process. And we're just gonna be going down both sides, right next to her spine. And then we're gonna go down the side of her glute here, and then her hamstring. We're going down to the calves here now. And this is like one of my favorite spots up next, is like the bottoms of the feet. When you're applying the G3 Pro or Theragun to someone else, you don't know how hard you're actually pushing. But the best thing is, if they're like, hey, I don't feel anything, or that started to help but really didn't, let them do it.